daughter Kara got us these stickers, so we're going to put them on here at Disney's Fort Wilderness on a chilly. Oops. The R didn't want to come with it. There we go. I didn't realize these were the stickers that stayed off. So now, the trick is don't screw this up. So
Squirrel.
Really good.
Back.
So apparently there's a squirrel around that's more important than what we're doing here. So, cool. I'm really surprised Talon hasn't jumped into
the driver's seat yet. I was waiting for her, but she's not gonna. She knows we're filming.
Okay, so now we're putting the one on the other side. Now the one on the driver's side had the YouTube logo. This one has the Instagram logo, so that's the difference between the two. Luckily, we were smart enough to get the same name for both our Instagram and our YouTube channel. And we're finally clear. Looking good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do something really cool. We have our new logo. We're gonna put this bad boy up here. I've never put a decal on this large before, so here's hoping for the best. There it is, in all its glory. I am real happy with the logo. I'll be even happier when the air bubbles get out. But what do you think?
I think it looks great.
All right, cool. Let's go inside.